So this is our test piece. Wanted to make sure before we built the whole frame that this was going to work. So it has like multiple different levels. So we had to do multiple levels and then fits right in there. So that'll screw on. And then when we get to this side, we'll just trace it on the actual door frame and this should work out. Fingers crossed.
This should work out. Fingers crossed.
Still gonna need like a little block here for that thing.
Okay, should we screw it in?
Actually,
Bye. Baby, I love it.
you wanna?
I'd kind of rather it be a little window.
I'm gonna cut this the same length as straight was. It'll be. We'll just put it here.
I need to measure again. 37.5.
So then for the cross brace.
Yep. Goodbye.
Well,
Knock, knock. Oh, it's good. Whoa. Here. It sticks out a little bit.
How strong it is?
Oh, it feels strong. Good.
Regular hand is gonna work better because it's pinching on the back end.
Okay. So that's what I was wondering. How far does it go? That stinks. Houston, we have a problem. The door works fine, but this, when we put it on and align it and everything, it can't open all the way. So we thought it was the hinge style. And we got regular door hinges, but now that I'm thinking that through, I still don't think that's gonna work. I do think that maybe slicing off this like corner would help a little bit, but I still think, gosh, I still think it'll only be able to open like that far. But we can kind of just see how it goes, I guess. Sorry, we were a little disappointed yesterday when we got all of this done, and then we're like, no. We put the panel on and it only opened like this far. So we will try again. So before I screw up the actual thing, I'm gonna do a mock-up because I watch a few videos and I'm like, do I need fancy hardware? Like, do I need, what do I need to do? And then I realized it's probably a lot simpler than I thought, but I have to physically do it just to prove to myself that what's in my brain actually works in reality. Oh. Okay. So I have my wall, and then this is my door. Like, this needs to fold into this. So the thing I'm noticing immediately is that, so the ends of the panels have like automatically come with a chunk cut out. So I think that's why the other one is not working, because we cut these out of the same piece. Like, this was one panel and we sliced it here. So we don't have that notch, which we definitely need that notch cut out. So if I just like screw it in where it clears, then we'll be absolutely fine. Theoretically, this will work. I don't quite believe it, but we'll give her a try. I'm gonna re-staple it and then cut. Yeah, that didn't staple all the way through. Somewhere, but it hits at the top, but not the bottom. Got a feeling this might work. Ooh,